Drop makeup remover and cotton pads. Remove makeups on face and neck. Operate for 3 minutes. Clean the face and neck with face wash. Apply toner. Relax the face. Apply massage cream on face and neck evenly. Caress for 3 times. Move in circles with ring fingers and middle fingers of both hands from chin to earlobe. Press the Chengjiang REN24 and Yifeng TE17 for 3 times. Move with ring fingers and middle fingers of both hands from chin to the upper lip, and from upper lip to chin alternately, like writing letter C. Press the Chengjiang REN24 and the Nenzhong DU26 for 3 times. Massage in circles from chin to ear gate. Press Dichang ST4, Jiache ST6, and Tinggong SI19. Lift with forefinger at ear front and ear back, up and down. Then knead earlobe with thumb and forefinger. Operate for 3 times. Massage in circles from nose wing to the temple. Press the Yinxiang LI20, Quanliao SI18, and the temple. Operate for 3 times. Massage in circles from nose wing to the inner corner of eye. Press the Bitong EM7, Jinming BL1, from tip of the brow along the eyebrow bone to the outer corner of eye. Press Chuanzu BL2, Yuyao EM3, Sizukong TE23, Tongziliao GB1. Operate for 3 times. Move from the end of eye along the lower eyelid. Press the Qiuhou EM6, Chengqi ST1, Sibai ST2, Jinming BL1. Operate for 3 times. Massage in circles at forehead from bottom to top, from the middle to both sides. Press Yintang EM2, Shenting DU24, at the temple. Operate for 3 times. Then move from hairline to the chin with both hands. On one side, lift alternately with ring fingers and middle fingers of both hands from jawline to the cheek with tiny steps for 3 times. Do the same to the other side. Put fingers together with both hands. Slide from Yintang EM2 to the inner corner of eye, along the lower eyelid to the temple. Then slide from Jinming BL1 along the upper eyelid to the outer corner of eye. Operate for 3 times. Slide with ring fingers and middle fingers of both hands. One hand at front, the other one at behind, as if writing 8. Operate for 3 times. On one side, Lift with ring fingers and middle fingers of both hands alternately from lower eyelid to the temple for 3 times. Do the same to the other side. On one side, lift alternately with both hands from chin to the temple, one line next to another, for 3 times. Lift from eye corner to hairline for 3 times. Lift from forehead to hairline for 3 times. Do the same to the other side. Relax the neck. Rub and caress with both hands at the chest for 3 times. Lift with both hands alternately at the neck for 3 times. The customer lies on his or her side, then push Daban Jin with both palms alternately for 3 to 5 times. Lift Daban Jin alternately with the hukou of both hands from up to down for 3 to 5 times. Do the same to the other side. The customer lies on his or her side, then slide at Daban Jin with one hand for 3 to 5 times. Rub Daban Jin alternately to the back of the ear from the shoulder with both hands for 3 times. Do the same to the other side. Clean face and neck. Apply RF cream on the whole face evenly. Please note, start RF energy level from the minimum for the first time of use. Increase the energy level slowly after adoption. Adjust the section level according to one's feeling. Please set the section level under 30% when operating at face to avoid getting red or purple marks. Technique: on one side, slowly move the probe from down to up at face for 2 times. Do the same to the other side. Move slowly from left to right at forehead for 2 times. Technique: move upwards from chin to earlobe, from mouth corner to ear gate, from nose wing to the temple, one line next to another. Operate for 1 to 2 times. Combined with the hand, move upwards from chin to earlobe, from mouth corner to ear gate, from nose wing to the temple, one line next to another. Operate for 3 times. Do the same to the other side. Lift from forehead to hairline for 1 to 2 times. Combined with hand, lift to the hairline for 3 times. Clean the face and the neck for 3 minutes. Apply anti-wrinkle essence on the whole face for 1 minute. Please note, there are 2 functions to select, EMS and EL. Adjust the energy level according to one's feeling. Technique: move upwards in circles from chin to earlobe, from mouth corner to ear gate, from nose wing to the temple. Operate for 3 times. Lift upwards from chin, one line next to another, for 3 times. Do the same to the other side. Move in small circles from forehead to hairline for 3 times. Lift to hairline for 3 times. Clean the face. Apply facial mask for 15 minutes. Remove mask and clean the face. Care the skin. Improve double chin with laser pads. Fix the bandage from chin to the head. fix the small laser pads at the double chin. Wait for 20 minutes. Take off the laser pads and bandages.